Hey lighting fanatics, today I'm going to show you this pack of Sears 40-watt white glare-free bulbs. Glare-free being Sears' name for soft white bulbs. There's nothing special about these bulbs, they're just soft white. So we'll go ahead and take a look at our packaging here. At the top, we'll notice that these are 50% longer life bulbs. They last 2,500 hours and they output 405 lumens. So a little bit of a trade-off between lifespan and light output, as you can tell. We get 2 bulbs in this package, and there's some numbering there. On this side, 50% longer life, of course, a little bit smashed, that kind of sucks. On this side, it's the same thing as the front, but somebody wrote 100 on there, which is kind of strange because there's actually two 40-watt bulbs in here, just like the package is implying. So why someone would write 100 on there, that's kind of strange. 50% longer life once again. On top, we have Sears white glare-free bulbs and some numbering up here. Then on the bottom, we have our comparison story. So on the top, we have the glare-free bulb, 40 watts of course, and it lasts 2,500 hours and outputs 405 lumens, as we saw there. And then they're comparing it to a standard bulb, probably an inside frost bulb, 40 watt, and then it lasts 1,500 hours and outputs 450 lumens. So you can see the trade-off there between lifespan and lumens. For the longer life bulb, you do get a few less lumens, even though it's probably not enough for you to notice much of a difference. And then, of course, sold by Sears, Roebuck & Co. from Chicago, Illinois, made in the USA. So there's the packaging. We'll go ahead and slide out our internal pack here. And on the inside it says Sears white glare-free bulbs, 2 bulbs, and then a number there. And on the other side, instead of the number, it says sold by Sears, Roebuck & Co., of course. So on the top here, we actually have a GE 40-watt extra life white bulb. But of course that's not what's supposed to be in this package. However, on the bottom we do have the correct Sears branded bulb here. So we'll go ahead and take that out. And then we'll put that GE bulb aside, as it's not really the subject of this video. So here is the Sears glare-free soft white bulb. Very nice. If anybody knows who actually manufactured this bulb for Sears, feel free to let me know in the comments. That would be highly appreciated. So we'll start with our etch here, I suppose. Sears glare-free 40 watt. I think that's a W. 120 volt. Kind of strange that the W is so far from 40. Of course, our soft white silica coating inside to diffuse the light. Very nice. And then here's our base. We do have a nice black ceramic or glass insulator, but this base is not brass, unfortunately. And again, if somebody can tell from the base or anything who made this, please let me know in the comments, because I am curious. Well, now that we've taken a look at this bulb, I suppose it is time to give it a bit of a test. So let's get set up for that. So go ahead and screw in this bulb into our socket. And then got the plugs here. We'll plug them into the kilowatt meter. And then of course you can probably tell we do have the dimmer attached today, because this is an incandescent bulb and it's 100% dimmable. So now I'll go ahead and turn off all the lights and we'll give this bulb a test run. Alright, we have 121.5 volts coming from our outlet here. So we'll go ahead and switch that over to watts, and we'll turn this bulb on in 3, 2, 1. And immediately it's drawing 39.2 watts, which is a little bit under 40 watts, but I think that could be because of the dimmer. In fact, why don't we test that out? Let's unplug the dimmer here. Just connect this directly. Because notice that with the Phytoelectric R14 bulb the other day too, it also drew a little bit under 40 watts. So I'm going to try without the dimmer. Let's see. Yeah, it is the dimmer. Now it's drawing 41.2 watts, which is in fact a little bit over 40 watts. That's interesting. The dimmer makes these bulbs ever so slightly less powerful. That's interesting. Alright, well let's turn this back on with the dimmer attached, and we'll take a look at it when it's turned on. We have a horizontal filament in there, as you can tell, and you can see the supports of it casting their shadows on the side, and of course it's all floppy. But yeah, I'd say this is definitely a pretty nice glare-free bulb, or soft white as they're usually called. So go ahead and move up here where we have some more stuff to look at. See how well this bulb performs. And definitely a standard 40-watt bulb, soft white of course. Has a very yellowish color, being 40 watts. And yeah, pretty nice. Nothing too special. Go ahead and move over here. We have some more stuff to look at. See how well this bulb lights the area there. And then again over here. Even more stuff. And then we have some colorful items over here where we can check our CRI. Of course, incandescent bulbs are 100 CRI, so all of these colors are 100% as accurate as they would be under daylight. Well, maybe not 100% because it is a warm white bulb, but very, very close to what they would look like under sunlight. Well, now we'll go ahead and come back down here because it's time to dim this bulb, and again we'll be able to see how the wattage changes when we dim the bulb. So we'll start by dimming it all the way and watch the wattage on the kilowatt meter go down. Now it's drawing 8 watts, and of course it's got a nice ambery color, and I'm not getting much light out of there at all. There's what the filament looks like now. Very nice. So now we'll move up to around halfway. Now we're drawing 18.6 watts or thereabouts. Here's what the bulb looks like. And here it is lighting the area. We do get some usable light now. Very nice. And now we'll bring it all the way back up to 100%. Well, 99%. And now we're drawing 38.8 watts again, which again is a little bit under 40, but apparently that's because of the dimmer. That's kind of interesting. So yeah, this dimmer is cheating us out of a few of our watts there. Very, very strange. Well, we'll go ahead and turn off this bulb, and we'll get the lights turned back on, and we'll close out the video. Alright, it is time to unscrew our bulb from the socket. Very nice. Put this over there. Then we'll take one last look at this bulb, starting with the etch. I kind of like that etch. Pretty simple and nice looking. Bulb itself, and the base. We'll bring the packaging back over here, put the accompanying bulb next to it. Sorry, GE bulb, you're not a part of this. And there you have it, the Sears longer life, glare-free 40-watt incandescent light bulb. Well, if you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to leave a like down below. Feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to see more cool lighting videos in the future, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.